Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm styling my gorgeous new Chanel loafers that you guys would have just seen me unbox. I do own a white pair of loafers, but I wanted something darker that I could pair with a lot of my outfits, something that would just elevate my looks from casual to casual chic, and also to pare back certain looks. And also they just look, they're stunning. So I got these shiny calfskin loafers in the dark green. I think my favorite thing about them is this buckle. I'm a little bit obsessed, and also the back here is no words. I think loafers are a shoe that I'm going to incorporate into my wardrobe a lot more this year. I want to still have my fun, colorful style, but style my looks in a more timeless way and invest in pieces that are a little bit more timeless, but still fun, still very me, and still colorful. But I think there is a way to wear color that will like stand the test of time. That's what we're going to be doing this year. A few little style tips that I put into play when I wear loafers. First one is socks, on or off. I feel like loafers make socks look chic, and I love the scrunched up sock look. It kind of gives a look that like ballet core leg warmer vibe, and I kind of love it. The socks and loafers can tie the whole fit together depending on what colors you go for, and I think that's a really fun little touch to any outfit and a fun way to customize your outfits too. You could be wearing the same clothing but change up your sock color and achieve a whole different look. And if you wear no socks and are wearing something like a skinny jean, for example, you get the opportunity to show a bit of skin, a little bit of separation between the pant and the shoe, and show a bit of your ankle. I think that's also really chic when you're wearing a more fitted pair of pants. And they also just look great in general with like ankle grazing pants, I think, in my opinion. The second is loafers are really fun to play with silhouettes. And personally, I love a dramatic silhouette. I either love super slim, everything fitted, or oversized, dramatic, baggy. And my favorite silhouette to wear with a loafer is like a top heavy, oversized silhouette. For example, a mini skirt, a big puffy bomber jacket, and then really show off your legs and then add a cute sock at the end. I think that's just such a cute silhouette. And the last one is that I just honestly think they make any outfit elevated and chic, and I think they're definitely a wardrobe staple. So with that in mind, let's get stuck into some outfits that I've put together to style my new Chanel loafers. Look one features two things that I wanted to discuss. One is color. I feel like the olive green is a color I'm incorporating more into my wardrobe this year and for the years to come, because I feel like it's the timeless green. That bottle grass green had its moment and it's so fun for a color pop, but I do think the olive green khaki color is more of a timeless green, so that's why I opted for this color. This is technically my neutral, and olive green pairs so nicely with so many different colors that I will try and touch on in this video. But one of them is this baby blue color, and also this kind of like French blue. It's more of like grey dull blue. I feel like it just works so well with the cool tones. I've also paired it with this diesel bag, which is kind of like a greeny grey color. Just feel like these all complement each other so nicely. And the second point was that I love loafers in a mini skirt two ways. One of which is with an oversized trench coat. I just feel like this is such a cool fit. Combinations are endless with this one. With a mini skirt, I feel like this looks a little bit more sophisticated, and I really just love how the trench sits over the whole outfit, but you still have that little bit of fun mini skirt peeking through. I'm gonna go for this bag. This look is definitely giving more of a sporty off-duty vibe with the sporty cargo pants and like oversized blazer. I think this fit really shows off how you can style loafers in so many ways, including with pieces that might be like super current and trendy. Like these cargo pants, they're everywhere. The low-rise sporty cargo vibe still work really well with these loafers. I think they're more of a fashionable alternative to sneakers if you wanted to like, you know, up your outfit game. I still think they work so well, and again, you could have a lot of fun with the color of your socks here. I'm also really loving the olive green with this baby pink and the musk pink. Again, I think it's a color that works really well with olive green. And also these colors, for me, in my opinion, are colors that will probably remain in my wardrobe for a long time. I think baby pink and musk pink, like this muted pink, dusty rose, are colors that work in a lot of different combinations and are more timeless. I think this silhouette is so fun. It's super baggy. It's got the cute little crop top underneath, but still works so well with a loafer that is more of like a dressy tailored shoe. I love this outfit. I think olive green pairs so nicely, and this applies to like any olive green that you have in your wardrobe. You could have an olive green blazer or a khaki blazer. I just think olive green and khaki pair so nicely with like a light wash denim. I just think the two are made for each other. I guess it's kind of like a light blue, and the olive green and light blue just looked stunning together. So it makes sense. This outfit, what bag color should we go? Let's go green. I feel like this outfit is such a fun errands business squirrely meeting outfit. I feel like this outfit is so cute. I know I say cute a lot, but oh my god, I love this outfit. A super duper timeless silhouette, oversized blazer, jeans, white tank. Everyone can wear this outfit and everyone can wear it with loafers. I really love how this looks. I've gone for like the different shades of green. So we've got the olive green, khaki, and then a sage. And I think they all tie in really nicely together. I also think this fit right here is a perfect example of how loafers can elevate a really simple casual look. I could have worn sneakers with this and it would have been cash, but I'm wearing loafers and now it's fashion girly chic. Can we tell that I'm obsessed with the loafers? I love this fit so much. My second outfit with a mini skirt. This is the second silhouette that I love. Oversized, top heavy with kind of looks like no pants. Really emphasizes your legs, shows off pins, and I just think bare legs, socks and loafers. It's Hailey Bieber chic. She's an icon and we love her. I've paired the olive green loafers with kind of shades of brown and this aubergine purpley plum color. Olive green, purple and brown are colors that I think will repeat themselves a lot throughout my wardrobe, and maybe sage green too. I'm just like feeling them this year. I love purples, browns and greens together. So pretty. They're quite tranquil. And again, this is like purely my opinion and what I'm really loving this year, but come on, you gotta agree. This looks really cute. And I think especially this plum color works really well with the olive green loafers because they're like muted tones. They're not like super saturated, in your face, bold colors. They're more muted, they're more pared back and easy to style with a lot of other pieces in your wardrobe. Color or neutral. Need to touch up my lippy. I'm obsessed with this look. This is an outfit I've been dreaming up in my head for the past 2 months. I bought these leg warmers specifically for this outfit. I'm gonna go this crossbody bag again because this outfit is giving me off-duty ballerina chic, and I never thought I'd be so obsessed with that vibe. Like the little tote bag, the baggy jumper. It's as though I just walked out of a ballet class in the middle of like autumn, winter in New York City. Anyway, getting carried away. But I thought this look was really fun because I paired a few different greens. I've got the grey green. I can see a hint of green in this bag. If you can't, I'm sorry, but it's green. It's grey green. This jumper is definitely more of like a sagey green, and then the leg warmers are like a citrine green. And then we have olive green. I've said green so many times in this video. Just a really fun silhouette. Again, it's super top heavy, baggy, but then we have the chunky socks down the bottom. In my opinion, this silhouette just balances itself out. You've got like a lot going on up here, super baggy, top heavy, but then you've also got fun, chunky socks, which like sort of draws your eyes down. It flows, in my opinion. Another silhouette I wanted to explore was the long midi maxi skirt with the loafer, which I think is just timeless. You can't go wrong. I do really love this one because it has a slit, so it's a little bit more like edgy. But again, if you have a midi skirt, maxi skirt that goes up to like your ankles, just under your knee with a cute pair of socks, I don't think you can go wrong with that. It's also a little bit more of a tonal look and showing you how this olive green pairs with a more saturated blue denim. I don't think I like it as much as the wash denim, but it's still cute. I've also added a more greeny beige grayish sock to tie the look together, so the socks are kind of matching the tone of the jacket. I feel like it just makes the look a lot better than if I was to wear like black or white. It doesn't draw as much attention to the sock, so I feel like it just makes the outfit flow, and it doesn't like draw your eye to it, so your eye isn't like sort of jarring going, what is going on with that sock? It just flows. Another quite timeless silhouette, if I do say so myself, is the midi dress, and I love this one. It's from Balmain Garden, and I love this one because it's sheer and it's a little bit lighter, and it has such a fun pattern. We love our patterns. It's tonal, it's olive green, it matches the shoes perfectly. I also feel like with a midi dress or something that's more fitted, you can get away with wearing no sock because it just creates one sleek silhouette. I really love the look of this. I also think that you could add like a ColourPop handbag. Pink? How cute does this look? Because we've got like one full color, the whole outfit, a ColourPop handbag looks so cute. Also think it would pair so well with this sage trench coat. Let's put it on. This look is doing things for me. This is stunning. The big oversized coat with ankles showing. It's funny how like socks can make such a difference. Sophisticated girly vibes. I love this. I really love this. I've surprised myself. Wow, amazing. I have one more outfit for you guys. Last fit is something that I really wanted to try. I've seen this all over Pinterest, like when I type in loafers, loafer outfit on Pinterest. A lot of the outfits come up with like a really cute billowy white shirt with a cute Peter Pan collar, or like a super oversized cute collar, the frills, the puffy sleeves. So I definitely had to try that in in one of the outfits in this video. Another thing I wanted to show was the loafers with a pair of pants that sit just above the ankle so that they really show off the shoe. Paired with a little handheld bag, I feel like this is just such a cute look, cute silhouette. It's not overly fitted, it's not overly baggy. It's just kind of touching on cottagecore with our little collar here, but also it's giving preppy vibes with the socks and the pants. And I am obsessed. I love these shoes. We are in love with the new shoes. Thank you so much for watching this video and for hanging out with me. I hope you guys took something away from this video, whether it was something on color theory or a fun way to wear your loafers. Let me know which look was your favorite in the comments and tag me on Insta if this video has inspired any of your looks. I can't wait to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!